Imagine checking your bank account and seeing negative dollars. Again, the rent is due, your credit card's maxed, and the anxiety, it's constant. Welcome to the prison of debt. But what if I told you there's a way out, and once you're out, you'll never go back in? This isn't just a tips and tricks video. It's a roadmap to freedom, designed for those of you in your 20s and 30s who are done living paycheck to paycheck. And if you stay till the end, I'll share the #1 psychological trap that keeps people broke and how to break it. Let's face it, debt is modern day slavery. And no, that's not dramatic, it's reality. You work for money you've already spent. Interest becomes your invisible boss. And worst of all, you start believing that this is just how life is. Credit card companies don't care about your dreams. They care about their 16.99% APR. And every time you swipe without a plan, you're buying your future self a problem. The debt spiral isn't just financial, it's emotional. Depression, anxiety, shame. It's the silent killer of ambition. But hey, at least you got that air fryer on 6-month financing, right? But here's the good news. You are not broken. The system is rigged, but now that you know that, you can fight back. Step 1, face the numbers. List every single debt. Don't flinch. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, total it up. Because what you can't measure, you can't master. Step 2, choose your battle plan, the debt snowball method or the avalanche method. Pick one, stick to it. Momentum greater than motivation. Step 3, slash ruthlessly. That extra streaming service, gone. Weekly takeout, learn to cook. You're not cutting back, you're buying freedom. Yes, you might miss that spicy tuna roll, but you won't miss the overdraft fees. Step 4, stack your income. Pick up a side hustle. Sell what you don't use. Negotiate your salary. Every extra dollar goes toward your goal. This isn't forever, but it is urgent. And speaking of urgency, there's one mistake that destroys more debt plans than anything else. We'll get to that in a minute. So you've paid off your first card. You feel lighter. But now comes the real challenge, staying debt-free. This is where most people fall back. Why? Because they fix the math, but not the mindset. If you don't understand why you got into debt, you'll repeat the cycle. Emotional spending, lifestyle creep, chasing status over security. And here it is, the #1 mistake that kills your debt-free journey. Thinking your problem is money. It's not. It's behavior. It's belief. It's the lies you've been sold since you were 10. Getting out of debt isn't just about numbers. It's about rewriting your story, about no longer being owned by your past, and stepping into a future where you control the narrative. But escaping debt is just step 1. The real challenge, keeping money once you have it. And that's exactly what we break down in the next video. The psychology of saving, why you can't keep money. Click the end screen now and I'll see you there.